In this video I'll be painting a simple rose. It's not the open rose, it's just the closed rose. Very simple. If you have not tried rose before, so this must be the first one for you to try it. Before that, if you happen to enjoy this video, please take a moment to give it a like and subscribe. Also turn on notifications so that you don't miss new videos. On the occasion of International Women's Day, a rose painting for this video is dedicated to all women creators out there. I wish all of them a good day. Hello everyone, my name is Raju Dapur from worldofpaintings.com. I'm just going to paint a rose, simple rose, closed, half opened, not the entire full open rose. So this should be a beginner painting if someone wants to try with the rose painting instead of poppy or anything else. So this will be your starting painting for a rose. Then after that you can go on with the difficult ones. So I hope this painting actually gives you enough idea in such a way that the application of layers, I've applied 2 or 3 layers depending on the color and the shape and the shadow that wherever I wanted it. So before the application of the second layer, I've waited for some time so that it dries, and then I've continued with the next layer. So if you want to follow along with this, you can try it out. So make sure that you have a good watercolor paper, so that when you apply color at the top, the color actually has to stay on top, so that you can actually blend it with just water. So that's one thing. Apart from that, I've just used one crimson and then sap green. So these are the only 2 colors. I've just completed this painting with those 2 colors, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you in some other video.